Hi ladies, today I'll be doing a nail art tutorial on the black angry bird. It is quite similar to the other angry bird design that I had done. To have a clear view, I did a simple video clip for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy! Firstly, apply your favorite nail polish after applying the top coat. As for me, I had chosen Alpine Snow by OPI for the background. Next, using the black Onyx by OPI and draw a semicircle for the body of the black angry bird. Remember to add a tail at the top of the semicircle to represent the hair. Next, we will start with the grey portion of the eyes. As we know, black angry bird has 3 different layers of color for its eyes. We will be having grey for the first layer, followed by white and black. While waiting for the grey portion to dry, we may now start on the mouth, eyebrow, and hair of the angry bird. I learned to live half a life, and now you want me one more time. And who do you think you are, running around leaving scars, collecting your jar of heart, tearing love apart? You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul, so don't come back for me. Who do you think you are? Lastly, when everything is set, you may apply the top coat. Hope you like it. Good luck!